We will now introduce you to the tanning or service packages feature of our software. This feature is used when you have a need to sell a service or, in rare cases, an item in a larger quantity, and the client will not use the entire service or not pick up the entire quantity of the items immediately at purchase time, but wishes to use or pick up a little at a time. This can also be used for membership-based businesses for a membership purchase. Example, if the item or service in inventory is 15 minutes of tanning, you would use this feature to sell a package of 1500 minutes as a tanning package, and then the client can use those minutes as they please. Please keep in mind this can be used for both services and physical items. Now we will introduce you to the creation of the tanning or service packages in inventory. First, we will need to go to Fill, Update, or Delete in Inventory menu. We need to make sure that the services or the items that we will want this package to be consisted of are already existing services or items in inventory that are already to be sold separately as well. For the purpose of this video tutorial, since our inventory is virtually empty, we will first create the service of 15 minutes of tanning. Please keep in mind you can do this for both services and physical items. Now that we have the items or services we wish to sell in a package existing in inventory, we will go into creating the actual package by clicking the button Add a Tanning or Service Package. As you can see, the inventory screen just showed an addition of a new section which is called Tanning or Service Package Details to accommodate the creation of a package. So basically, the creation of a package in inventory is all the same as the creation of any item or service in inventory, with the exception of the tanning or service package details. We will now enter the name and description of the package with its price and the rest of the attributes that you know of, as they are the same as inputting any other item in inventory. Now we need to enter the tanning or service package details. In the beginning, you can see that you have an option for designating what the package's spending will be based on, such as number of visits, minutes, hours, days, or months. In this case, since we're selling a service by minutes, we will select to base the package on a number of minutes. You can choose to have an expiration date for the package by inputting the number of days after the purchase that the package will expire on, or not to have one by leaving the respective field blank. From the drop-down menu, you should select all the items or services that should be part of this package. In our case, we will select the item that we made earlier for this package and click the Add button. Please keep in mind you can add multiple items or services into a package. When you are done, simply click Add in order to save this package in inventory. Now that you have the package entered in inventory, you can sell it to the clients and use the package functions for your clients that have purchased the package, as they take advantage of the package when they frequent your business.